anyway, I'm going to start right now. I'm going to set the timer on my phone. Where is she? The clock. Here we go. And I'm going to set the stopwatch. And I'm going to time this entire session to see if I can keep it as close to that 10 minutes as possible. Now, I've never done this before. This is going to be an unedited version of this video. So anyway, yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. How do I start this? Hold on a second. Stopwatch, reset, and I'm going to push start. Let's go. Okay, so this would be an outfit that I would put on if I was gonna go and meet somebody, I don't know, for dinner, lunch, you know, coffee, drink, whatever it is you may have coming up. And I'll get my hair back out of my face. I don't even know if I would even waste time doing that. I would start first with the things that are most important to me when I'm, you know, want to make myself look presentable. And that's always, as long as my eyebrows are on, I feel like I can face the world. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. And what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna talk too much about these products. You know, for reference, this is a Charlotte Tilbury soft brown eyebrow pencil. And go up. So my eyebrows are really important to me. I just really feel like it just, they frame your face. They just kind of open up your entire eye, right? They just make your eyes pop more. Okay, so let's do the other one. Yeah, this is the Charlotte Tilbury, what is it called? Brow Cheat. And I do actually have to go out, so I'm not going to be wasting this look. I have to go visit my brother, who's actually in the hospital, who's sick. And, you know, I was questioning whether I should even make myself look presentable because he's sick, and I don't want to go there and make him, I don't know, feel bad if he's laying in bed sick. I think sometimes we just go there as we are. All right, next I'm going to take this. I love these. This is the Nudestix Tan Glow. I would go in, I would do as such, right? Just kind of outline. I would do this underpainting technique only because it's the easiest. I would go in, I would take this Soft Glam. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I'll leave the color to it down below. What I'll do is I'll leave everything in a description box below, and I'll put it in the order that I'm actually doing things today so that you can kind of follow along if you ever need to be out of the house in a hurry and make yourself look presentable. And I really, I'm at the stage of my month where I call it this, my stage of my month, where I need to have my nails done. I need to have my roots touched up. You can see them. I need to, yeah, I need to have my nails done. I need a haircut. I need all of those things. So I'm looking kind of, you know, beaten up a little bit. So dab that in. So even if I had to run out the door looking like this, I would be okay with that because I feel like any of my dark spots are kind of, you know, covered up and I look like I have some color to my face. But gotta keep going in there and just keep dabbing and pull it down on my neck. I have a turtleneck on. And then, you know what, another good thing to do is, what I do is if I have an outfit that I really like, and I'm just going in with the Jones Road, her concealers, and going in and just kind of evening out any discoloration that I have on my lid. And I'm gonna go in with this This is the Wayne Gosh Makeup Brush Collection, and go in and just kind of blend that in a little bit. And as I was sharing, if I have put on an outfit and I'm like, oh, this is cute, I like this, I feel comfortable. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of it. Stand in front of the mirror and I'll take a picture of it. And then I'll put it on a folder in my phone. Because a lot of times, what happens is people ask you to go out and I'm like, oh, I don't even know what to wear. What should I wear? And, you know, as long as I have something on my phone, I have some creative, you know, go-to outfits that I can pop on. All right, next I'm just going to go in. I'm just going to take this Makeup by Mercier palette, the Master palette, and go in and fill in, you know, just put some eyeshadow on, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I also, just so you know, I plugged in my curling iron, or actually it's my curling brush for my hair, so that's heating up while I'm actually doing this. Okay, that's about all the eyeshadow I would put on. No, I lied. I'm doing this because, let's just say I'm going out at night. I would take this Caviar stick and just go in real quickly and rub that across my lid. And I like these because a lot of times shimmers, you have to spend time packing it on. But with these sticks, it's 1, 2, 3, and they're on your lids without any problem. Go in and kind of blend that in quickly. Okay, and I would take, where is it? I'm gonna take this liner and go right in. I'm not even gonna do my waterline, I'm just gonna go and do the outer part of my lid here. Right, just to add a little bit more depth there. And of course, I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna take a blending brush. Actually, this pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go and blend that out. And like I shared, I'm not gonna edit this video at all. I'm gonna give it to you, like behind the scenes. Get ready with me. Okay. All right, next, grab some blush. Where's my blush? Blush. Oh, right here. I'm taking this, again, this Nudestix. I'm going on. These I love because they're so blendable. They're just really, they blend into the skin beautifully. So I don't have to spend a lot of time worrying about that. You know, and I'm going to take a little bit more blush from this palette here, and just to kind of pop it in there. Blush is the one thing that really does fade after you put it on. Like you feel like, oh God, I feel like I have a lot of blush on. But I bet you in an hour, it doesn't look that way. And if it does, you just simply take that foundation brush and just kind of tap over it, just to blend it in a little bit more so you don't look like, you know, you just dumped your face in some blush. All right, then I would go and I take this mascara and put some mascara on. I love this mascara. It's a nourishing mascara, so it helps your lashes grow as well as a mascara. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay. Okay, that would be my mascara. Where am I at next? I'm going to take this lip pencil. I'm going to use this one here by Hourglass, fill my lips in. And because I'm going out at night, I'm going to go with something with a little bit more color in it. This is the City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, and I believe it's in Crimson. Okay, now that's it for the makeup. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna spray it with this all-nighter. And I probably should have done that before I put the mascara on. All right, now my hair, right? What am I gonna do with this hair? So, what's it called? I would, for me, I'm gonna take out just, if your hair is long, I would wear it up, right? I'm gonna take this part out. I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm going to pull it up. Up always looks like it's a little bit more polished and it gives you a little bit more, so it just looks more event-like, right? It just looks like a little bit more put together. Take this clip and clip that out of the way, because a lot of times what happens with my hair, whether your hair is long or short, you get this flat part in the back here where your hair separates and it just looks pretty horrible. And then I would take this curling brush and it went off. So I'm gonna see how long it takes to heat up. What I'll do is while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna put my jewelry on. And I'm wearing this jewelry from Ana Luisa. And I'm wearing this ring, I'm wearing this ring here. Okay, I'm putting on these earrings. So leaving these two front pieces out, that kind of frames the front of your face so that you look, I don't know, it just does more for your face. It doesn't look as harsh. Take this one over here. This earring here, clip this in. All this jewelry is from Ana Luisa. I like it, I can wear it to bed, it's comfortable, it doesn't tarnish. I've had some of these pieces for years. Okay, I do have some underneath here. I even wear these when I'm working out. I might pull these out. Let's see how that looks. I don't know how it looks. Okay, yeah, that looks all right. It kind of just dresses up this black a little bit. Okay, let's see where my iron is. Is it hot? And then just curl these pieces out of the way. Now, if I have short hair, which wear my hair short sometimes, I probably would get like a texture spray, right? Like I would use this one here from, actually this is my Moroccan oil. This is the heat protectant. I'm going there and put that on. But I will also take like this texture spray if my hair was shorter and I didn't have time to wash and blow it out. And I would go in there and just texturize my hair a little bit with that. Or I might just like touch it up a little bit with the curling iron and then just use like the texture spray and just kind of go for that more Mercier type look. So you can see the steps, just 1, 2, 3, just adds a quick curl in the front. And pull that out. I think my hair is kind of falling down in the back, but we'll fix that. And then tease this up 1, 2, 3 in the front. 1. And then leave those pieces out like so. So anyway, that would be my go-to. Actually, it took me, can you see that? 13 minutes and like 45 seconds to do this, which is still not a bad time, right? I mean, I got dressed, I did my hair, I did my makeup. So you literally can be out the door in like 30 minutes, right? If somebody calls you, you know, provided you have an outfit idea on your phone, if you have your makeup nearby. You know, it's just all about the timing, like plug in your iron, go to your closet, get your outfit out, and then, you know, this is also taken into account that you had your face washed and your skincare all done like that, which I had done and my teeth brushed. But, you know, you could be doing it in 30 minutes, you know, but there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.